y'all. Okay, I finally made it. Okay, I'm right there. I finally made it. I have been waiting forever for this opportunity. Because I would always be like, oh look, it's 12 o'clock. Oh, it doesn't come on in like 6 hours. Okay, I'll go on at 6. And then like 7 o'clock comes and I'm like, oh well, that's great. When is the next one? Oh look, 1:30. Okay, yay, I'll totally go on then. I should probably turn my volume down a bit. Also, I downloaded the app. So now, I have that annoying thing in the bottom right corner. It's so, oh duh, okay, that's what's wrong. I was on the wrong button. Unwanted on trade. Eee! Ooh, also, I need answers, but hold on, I'll wait for this to load. Ooh, I've always wanted that, but I never knew what it was worth. And also, I have a question, because I know that I totally have views on this channel, right? Okay, so I have a question. If this loads. Okay, so I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, I know that this is a rare item Monday, and this, I don't know what it is. I won this, and this in the Forgotten Desert. Ooh, and I went to a gifting party, and a gift/trading party, and I got this. It's awesome. And I traded my entire life for this thing because I love it so much. And so I got this fence. Ooh. Should I? I kind of do like the color orange, and I do like spikes, so sure, why not? Okay, so I got this wood fence, and I'm in the Forgotten Desert. I'm like, hey guys, I got a wood fence. Anyone know, like, if it's a good item? And they're like, really? That's like a beta. And I look at the wiki, and it says that it's not beta. And ooh, let's look at the sales. Okay. Ooh, yes. Yeah, I love everything here. We got a swimming pool, we got all this, shoozle. Let's see where the clothing items are. Ooh, okay, that's not a clothing item store. But I would love to be able to buy that machine. I have the seahorse thing, because I remembered my password for my old account, and so I logged in, and then I would go on my phone and on my tablet to like, I would trade necklaces to my old account for all my old items. And I have a bunch of like fake betas, but I love fake betas because they're so aesthetically pleasing. Okay, I know this sound is annoying, but I'm like burning up in here, so I have to turn on my fan. I'll only do it for a little while until I find the clothing store. Look, it's Zios. Oh, it's Zios. Let me just look for it, and then I'll unpause it when I do. Hold up, is this a beta? I'm pretty sure this is a beta. Someone legit just said, XD, we have a heatwave party in the middle of winter. And I'm like, buddy, that's the point. And I said, I don't think there's a clothing shop here. XD, LOL, I know, right? Please end my suffering, I can't move. Yo. Ah! Okay, so, y'all. Okay, I try. Okay, so, my recorder said the mic isn't working anymore, so I'll do this. Probs, 'cause I sneeze so loudly. I have this item. Mom, it's too hot. I will end. Hibiscus! Hibiscus! Hibiscus is my new favorite word. I don't know if my mic is working or not, because a while ago it notified me it wasn't. But I'm going to turn my fan on because I don't care.